The fundamental principle of mewing is tongue posture. And the idea is that if you have this forward pressure on your top palate in the mouth, it's basically gonna make your face grow in a more forward and attractive way. You're gonna have this sharp jawline and everything, right? But what if this pressure is not fully forward? What if it's more to one side? I guess we could expect to see a more uneven, asymmetrical face, right? And this is basically my situation. If you looked like inside of my mouth, you will see that one of my teeth actually sticks inside of my mouth slightly. It's like it takes away the space from my tongue, basically. On one side of my mouth, my tongue can lay perfectly well. But on the other one, it just kind of, it doesn't really fit. So when I try to mew properly, it feels like I'm doing a lot more pressure on this clear side, right? And I became aware of this problem like 2 years ago. And as you can see, I don't have an asymmetrical face just yet, because I did some things to prevent this whole imbalance, right? While still getting most of the benefits from mewing. Now, first of all, I still kept my mouth shut all the time. I will still do nose breathing. Even if you don't want to do mewing, it's still essential for your health to breathe properly, right? So this is out of question. And second of all, I still kept the perfect tongue posture. I just wasn't trying to put this forward pressure. If I tried to actively flex my muscles in the tongue, I felt like most of this pressure would just go to one side, but if it's passive, it was relatively balanced. So I think it helped to prevent any imbalances in my face. Another thing I want to mention is chewing, because for as long as I can remember, I would chew on my left side all the time. Like I never use this side pretty much. And this can cause serious imbalances, like even more than mewing, probably. So for the past 6 months, I was actually trying to chew on this side. And they're like almost balanced, still not perfect, right? But this is just something to keep in mind. And an extra tip, since we're talking about mewing and facial aesthetics, is how to achieve hollow cheeks. Most people will tell you that if you want to get hollow cheeks, you should just get lean, just lose some fat. However, it turns out that actually there is muscles in your cheeks, and if you use them all the time, they will grow like, just like any muscle. And this is better if you want to get hollow cheeks, because you're gonna get puffy cheeks, right? Even if you're lean, right? So if you want to avoid growing your cheek muscles, you should take smaller bites and smaller sips, like if you're drinking something, because the main function of those muscles is to hold the food inside. So like it's basically gonna push it in. And if you're taking like a full mouthful of food, you're just actually working those muscles. Right? So this is just a simple fix to achieve a little bit of a better looking face. Alright, this is all I had to say. Take care.